Buying a used car can be stressful. Nobody wants to spend their hard-earned money just to end up with a headache at the repair shop. But the truth is, there are still some reliable cars under $9,000 that deliver comfort, safety, and real dependability. You just need to know where to look. In this video, we'll show you 5 used cars you can buy today for less than $9,000, all praised by Consumer Reports, RepairPal, and real owners for their proven reliability and low maintenance costs. These are cars that mechanics actually respect, the kind that keep running year after year without draining your wallet. So if you're searching for a car that's affordable but still built to last, stay tuned because these 5 models might just be the smartest deals on the road right now. Let's start with a luxury SUV that often flies under the radar but deserves far more recognition. The Buick Enclave, focusing on the 2012 to 2014 models. According to Consumer Reports and RepairPal, this generation of the Enclave represents one of the best examples of an affordable, comfortable, and long-lasting luxury crossover you can buy today for under $9,000. It combines upscale design with dependable American engineering, making it a smart pick for families who want refinement without the steep luxury price tag. Under the hood, the Enclave is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, one of General Motors' most widely used and respected powertrains. It produces smooth acceleration and has been known to handle high mileage with proper maintenance. The 6-speed automatic transmission complements the engine well, offering gentle gear changes that suit its quiet, composed character. Many owners on RepairPal report the Enclave as one of the most comfortable SUVs they've owned, especially for long trips, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The interior is where the Enclave truly stands out for the price. You get 3 rows of seating, a quiet cabin, and a ride that feels more expensive than it is. Features like leather seating, advanced climate control, and Bluetooth connectivity make it feel like a premium experience, even a decade later. Mechanics also note that, compared to European luxury SUVs, the Enclave is far easier and cheaper to service. That said, it's not flawless. Some reports highlight transmission wear or timing chain stretch on high-mileage models, especially those that didn't receive timely oil changes. The electronic liftgate and suspension components can also wear early, leading to costly repairs if ignored. Consumer Reports recommends checking for consistent maintenance records before buying one, especially regarding transmission fluid and engine oil intervals. Still, the 2012-2014 Buick Enclave remains one of the best-kept secrets in the used luxury SUV market. It's a vehicle that delivers quiet sophistication and dependability at a fraction of its original price. For under $9,000, you're getting a family-sized luxury SUV with real mechanical credibility, and that's something mechanics genuinely respect. Next up is the Honda CR-V, focusing on the 2009 to 2012 models, one of the most trusted compact SUVs you can buy for under $9,000. According to Consumer Reports and RepairPal, this generation of the CR-V stands out for its bulletproof reliability, simple maintenance, and the kind of long-term dependability that has made it a favorite among both families and mechanics. The CR-V comes with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine that's part of Honda's proven K-Series lineup, paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. It's not flashy or fast, but it's smooth, efficient, and extremely durable. Many owners report reaching over 200,000 miles with nothing more than regular maintenance. With an average of around 25-28 mpg combined, it's one of the most economical SUVs in its class. Inside, the CR-V offers what Honda does best: smart, comfortable design. There's enough space for passengers and luggage, great visibility, and a ride that feels refined for a vehicle in this price range. Mechanics often mention how easy it is to service, with cheap parts and simple layout a big advantage for long-term ownership. The main downsides, according to owner feedback on RepairPal, are minor road noise at highway speeds and wear on suspension bushings in higher mileage units. The automatic transmission can also feel sluggish if the fluid hasn't been changed regularly. But when properly maintained, the CR-V is known to run quietly and consistently for years. Overall, the 2009-2012 Honda CR-V remains one of the safest bets under $9,000. It's a practical, economical SUV that's earned real respect from mechanics for being nearly impossible to kill, and that's exactly the kind of reputation every used car buyer wants. Next on the list is the Volkswagen Passat, focusing on the 2012 to 2015 models, a mid-size sedan that delivers European comfort and refinement at an affordable price. According to Consumer Reports and RepairPal, this generation of the Passat is one of the most reliable used Volkswagens you can find today, especially with the 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine or the 1.8-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that replaced it in later years. The Passat stands out for its solid build quality and smooth highway ride, offering the kind of interior comfort usually found in higher-end cars. The cabin is spacious with high-quality materials, excellent sound insulation, and a large trunk, something owners repeatedly praise in reviews. The handling feels stable and composed, with a refined suspension setup that makes it a great highway cruiser. Mechanics often highlight that the 2.5-liter engine is the one to look for if you want long-term dependability. It's simple, naturally aspirated, and far less prone to the issues that affected earlier VW turbos. Maintenance costs are slightly higher than average, but when serviced properly, the Passat can easily last over 180,000 miles. That said, owner feedback and RepairPal data show that electrical issues can appear over time, including sensor warnings and infotainment glitches. Suspension components also tend to wear out around 100,000 miles, particularly control arms and bushings. However, many of these repairs are predictable and not excessively expensive when handled early. Overall, the 2012-2015 Volkswagen Passat offers a mix of sophistication and practicality that's rare in this price range. It's a car that feels refined, drives confidently, and when properly maintained, earns genuine respect from both owners and mechanics for holding up far better than many expect. Next, we have the Lincoln MKZ, focusing on the 2010 to 2012 models, a luxury sedan that often gets overlooked but quietly offers one of the best combinations of comfort, reliability, and value under $9,000. According to Consumer Reports and RepairPal, this generation of the MKZ is built on the same solid platform as the Ford Fusion, but adds more refinement, better materials, and the upscale touches expected from a true Lincoln. Under the hood, the MKZ uses a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain is one of Ford's most proven setups from the era, delivering smooth power and surprisingly good fuel economy for a V6 averaging around 23 mpg combined. Mechanics often describe this engine as trouble-free when properly maintained, noting that it rarely shows major issues even after 150,000 miles. Inside, the MKZ feels more premium than its price suggests. You get leather seats, dual-zone climate control, a quiet cabin, and a ride that absorbs bumps beautifully. Owners frequently praise the car's long-distance comfort and the overall calm driving experience. It's the kind of car that makes you feel like you're getting much more than what you paid for. However, according to RepairPal data and owner feedback, some models can develop electrical quirks such as malfunctioning climate controls or sensor warnings. The transmission valve body may also show signs of wear in higher mileage cars if fluid changes were neglected. Still, compared to most luxury sedans in this price range, the MKZ's maintenance costs are refreshingly reasonable. Overall, the 2010-2012 Lincoln MKZ is one of the smartest luxury buys under $9,000. It combines quiet comfort, reliable engineering, and a timeless design that still holds up today. Mechanics often respect it because, unlike many luxury models, it offers a smooth ride without the complicated and costly problems that usually come with high-end badges. If you're enjoying this video so far, take a quick moment to hit that like button. It really helps the channel reach more people who care about smart car buying. And let me know in the comments if you've ever owned one of these cars or had a different model that turned out to be surprisingly reliable. I love hearing your stories, and other viewers do too. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. We've still got more cars coming up, including one that might surprise you with how dependable it really is. So stick around, because the next one is a name you probably didn't expect to see on this list. Closing out our list, we have the Chevrolet Malibu, focusing on the 2013 to 2016 model, a mid-size sedan that blends comfort, simplicity, and real-world reliability. According to Consumer Reports and RepairPal, this generation of the Malibu is one of Chevy's most dependable sedans of the past decade, offering solid engineering and surprisingly low running costs for its class. Most versions come with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's not built for performance, but rather for consistency and fuel efficiency, averaging around 26 mpg combined. Mechanics often highlight how easy this engine is to service, with accessible parts and minimal electronic complexity a rarity in today's cars. Owners also appreciate the quiet cabin, smooth suspension, and the feeling of stability at highway speeds. Inside, the Malibu gives off a clean and comfortable vibe. You'll find supportive seats, decent tech for its time, and a well-insulated cabin that feels calm on long drives. For many families, it delivers that perfect balance of daily practicality and light luxury without the premium repair bills that often come with higher-end sedans. But like every used car, it has a few weak spots. Data from RepairPal and IC Cars points to transmission hesitation or sensor issues in some units, especially those that missed regular maintenance. Some interior trim pieces can also wear out sooner than expected. However, compared to other mid-size sedans in this price range, the Malibu's reliability record remains strong, particularly for well-maintained examples. Overall, the 2013-2016 Chevrolet Malibu is one of those cars that proves simplicity still wins. It doesn't shout for attention, but it quietly delivers exactly what drivers want: comfort, reliability, and peace of mind, the kind of car mechanics respect because it just works. So, if you've been searching for a car that won't drain your wallet but will still get you where you need to go safely, comfortably, and for years to come, these 5 models prove it's still possible. Even under $9,000, you can find cars that stand out for the right reasons. Strong engines, low maintenance, and the kind of dependability that mechanics genuinely respect. Because at the end of the day, buying smart isn't about chasing the newest thing. It's about choosing a car that keeps showing up mile after mile. And these 5, they've already proven they can do exactly that.